What's up, guys? Internet Income Ninja here with another video. It's a really short one today. So with what's happening worldwide, there's been an increase of online sales. That's pretty much the only way a lot of people can get products and goods right now. So today I'm going to show you a plugin that will help you save money with your online purchases. This plugin is called Honey. You guessed it, just like the thing bees make, it's called Honey. Honey is a plugin that literally searches for coupons when you're checking out to apply it to your purchase. Now, it doesn't work with every single site, but it does work with major sites like Macy's, Amazon, Nike, Target, any one of those companies. I mean, there's a whole lot more, but think of a big company that you normally shop from, and chances are Honey will have a coupon for it. So how Honey works is, how they make money is they're partners with all of these companies, and when someone uses the app, they're acting as an affiliate, not an affiliate, but a partner. So once people are referred to certain sites and use the Honey app, then Honey gets a commission from each sale that you make using their app, using their plugin. So it's really simple, it's free, it's easy to use. You just click a link that I'll just leave below. You just click the link, it installs the plugin, and anytime you go on a site, it automatically just shows you what's available. So for example, you'll see my Honey icon in the corner here, and it will show you, it lights up orange when it shows that it has coupons and so on that it has to offer. So it's best for me to show you how it works using just a store. So let me hop into Amazon. Let me go into my cart. Okay, and I have a couple things that I added here. Now as I'm scrolling down, you'll notice near the price, you'll see it's checking for prices. And it will notify you if it's a good price, if it's the best deal, how many price changes there are. You can add it to a drop list, which is a list that you add stuff to, and it notifies you when the price has dropped. So here it's actually set to add to the drop list when it hits 5% off. So I could click that, add it to drop list, it saves it in the list, and it will watch it for 60 days as it says here. I can edit the percentage, I can edit the number of days, I can do anything like that, but you can make those changes. And it also shows you the trend that this product has been on. So it says view price history. So let's click on that. The window opens and it says for the last 30 days this has been the trajectory of the price. So it has gone up a little bit. So it used to be $8.50, went up a bit to $8.59, and then it fell to $8.39, and this is the latest price that it has been for a long time. Okay, so that's one feature. The next feature I'll show you real quick is right, so here's an example of it offering a discount. So for this particular product, Honey is actually offering a $1.39 discount. Okay, so if I were to move it to cart, I would have gotten an 8% discount from the original price. So originally the cost was $16.63. With the discount, it will become $15.24. Okay. Again, you can add it to drop list. Again, you can set it for how much percent off you want it to notify you at. You can set it for however many days you want to watch it for, 90 days, 120 days, 30 days, right? So once Honey has access to a particular website, it will notify you of savings, it will notify you of the best price. It can show you what the price structure has been over the last 30 days, 60 days, so you can see if the price has risen, if it's falling, if you want to watch it. So it's a handy tool to have. You can literally stock certain products if you're interested and you want to see what the price is going to look like in a couple weeks. Maybe you want to see what the price is going to look like when a sale comes up. You can add these things to that drop list for it to watch it, for it to notify you. Heck, you could start shopping from the start of the month, save them in that list, and then at the end of the month when you get paid, you could actually go into Honey and see how many items you need, what the cost is, and so on, and then purchase at the end of the month if you needed to. And Honey will actually search the internet for all the coupons possible and apply them to your purchase, and you get a reduced price. Especially now when there's this pandemic happening, or any other period, it doesn't matter. You're always looking to save money online, which is more money in your pocket. Honey is the way to go. Again, there's a link below to the plugin where you could just click it, add it to your browser, and it's there. Once you've added it, once you've just created your free account and you've added it, it will automatically just be on. Unless you turn it off, it will automatically be on, searching for the best prices for products. Alright, so that was my short video. If you like the content, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.